This is a very, very unusual place. It gives me a bad feeling. Huh? What's that? What a beautiful necklace. I'll put it on. This pyramid gives me a bad feeling. It's like people fight for it. Maybe a dark-hearted person can never touch this. Oh, the top is pointy. Ow! This is going to take much courage than I've ever had. I can't do this. I'll just clear out the rocks so I don't hurt myself. Oh, I can move the pyramid. That's funny. I think it's something to do with dark-hearted people. My foot, it's filled with black stuff. What is this? I'll get it off later. I've made it. I've made it. That's the fighting place.